Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So today's video I'm pretty much going to show you my in-depth eyebrow tutorial, and basically how I apply the products, how I do my eyebrows, how I carve them out, basically how I like to wear them. So if you guys want to see how I created my eyebrows that I do literally in every video, keep watching. So the first thing I always start doing is brushing them like everybody does with a spoolie. I'm using the Cosmetics spoolie. So I start by brushing them up. And then I'm going to take the, like you guys know I use every single video, the Cosmetics Smoky palette. And I'm pretty much just going to use this shade product on that brush. Then brush it up like that. I'm gonna take a spoolie and just push that product to the front of my brow. Ready. See, and it doesn't look too harsh like this has now, and then this is how it was. Oh, this one's way thinner. See, like all the missing here. This one grows horrible, but this one grows more full. This one grows way more thin. Like, looks a little weird right now, but once I carve them out, they're gonna look way better. So I'm basically using the Cosmetics foundation on the brush, and now I'll take a tiny bit, I'll put it on the back of my hand too, so I don't have too much product on the brush. And then I kind of just start not too close to the brow, kind of under, and then I move my way up like so. I used to, like a couple months ago, I used to always get the concealer in my eyebrow. See? Rest on my lid too. I'm just bringing that to my lid and pretty much just blend that up. I am gonna do a eyeshadow look. That's why I'm not gonna do my eyeshadow on this video. But I'm gonna do a eyeshadow look, which you guys should see maybe after this video, or maybe the eyeshadow will go up and then this video, whichever I post first. Yeah, but I'm basically gonna film my eyeshadow video. Pretty good. I think I'm having a pretty good product. Next, I'm gonna go to more of a warmer shade, which is like that for the top of my brow, because I like to go more my skin tone when I'm doing the top of my brow. Kind of turning it and just doing it short strokes, and then take it down like that. However you guys like to wear it, and just do it like you want, but I'm just showing you guys how I do my brows. So, and then I like to just go like that and blend in my fingers. You can actually blend it with a brush, but I know I blend it with my fingers because that's just my preference. Then also take a little bit of that same concealer, and then I put it at the top of my brow like this, so everything could just look neat, cleaned up. I'm just kind of bringing it down. I'm gonna start posting 3 times a week because I feel like I want more videos up instead of posting once a week. That's not a bad schedule. Not saying that's a bad schedule, but I think that's not the schedule for me because I do already have a lot of videos already made, ready to upload, and I just want to upload them so bad. So the new schedule is, I think, going to be 3 times a week. It's not gonna be specific days. It's not gonna be specific days like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's just gonna be 3 videos a week. So I mean, you might get a video Monday, you might get another video Wednesday, you might get another video Sunday. Just look out for that, like that. So these are the eyebrows. So I hope you guys enjoy how I create my eyebrows, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me basically showing you guys how I do my eyebrows and stuff. So yeah, so if you guys like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below, turn your post notification bells to get notified every time I make a new video, which is now 3 times a week. Follow me on my social medias, I'll link you in the description. And yes, see you guys in my next video. Peace.